By the end of this video, you will know how to set up a setup fee in Stripe billing. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the product catalog and then open products. This is where you will create the one-time fee that will be added to the first subscription invoice. Create a new product and name it something clear, such as setup fee. The name is what you will see later when you add it to a customer subscription, so it helps to keep it specific. After the product is created, add a one-time price to it. Make sure the price type is one-time rather than recurring, since this fee should only appear on the applicable invoice and not on future billing cycles. Enter the amount you want to charge as the setup fee, review the product details and the price details, then save the product and price. At this point, the setup fee exists as its own product in Stripe and is ready to be attached when you create a subscription for a customer. Next, go to Customers and select the customer you want to subscribe. Open that customer record, then click Create Subscription. You will now build the subscription by combining the recurring charge with the one-time setup fee on the first invoice. First, add the recurring product or plan that the customer should be billed for on an ongoing basis. This is the subscription item that will continue on future invoices according to the billing interval you have already set for that product or price. After that, add the setup fee as a one-time item. Since you created it as a one-time price, Stripe will include it on the initial invoice instead of turning it into a repeating subscription charge. This is the key detail to check before moving forward. Now review the first invoice carefully. Confirm that it includes both charges, the recurring subscription amount and the one-time setup fee. This review step is useful because it lets you verify exactly what the customer will be billed when the subscription starts. If the invoice preview looks correct, continue and create the subscription. Once the subscription is created, Stripe will charge the setup fee on the applicable invoice and will not repeat that fee on future subscription invoices. The recurring product will continue billing on its normal schedule, while the setup fee remains limited to that first charge. Your Stripe subscription now includes a one-time setup fee on the first invoice and a recurring charge on future invoices.